Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today is really about you. Okay. I know we normally give you videos and great information, and I can tell that so many of you have benefited from that information. You've applied the knowledge that we've given, but here's the deal. We want to hear more of your success stories. All the people that's usually in the comments, all the people who watch the videos and say, you know what, I'm going to try this, I'm going to do this. We need to know, what's working for you. Okay. So we want to know if you guys could send to us your success stories. And we love photos. We would, videos even better. But even if it's just, you typing something, we want to know what is working for you guys. We want to know what's your success stories. What have we helped you? What have we at 850 Club help you accomplish? Whether that be just from the YouTube videos, whether that be from our courses, our webinars, even if you've been a paid client, what are some things that we've helped you do? Please send that to us at info@the850club.com. Again, that's info at THE850CLUB.com. Okay, we need to know. That way, Mama doesn't say need to know, but we want to know. We're interested. We do a lot of these videos. We really work hard to bring you guys content and just make sure that we're taking care of of everyone. At the same time, it's always a beautiful thing to see that people are actually having success from watching a video or whatever we've helped you do in the past. So if you got a photo of like that new car, or a photo of that credit card, a photo of not necessarily the credit card itself, you could block out with your hands or something, of that car we helped you get, of the home that you just closed on, rental property, even a lower car payment, a lower credit card balance, or whatever we've helped you accomplish, even if it just started the conversation, between you and your spouse or your significant other, your boo, your bae, whatever you want to call them, right? But we want to know. So send it over to us. You can either type it up, you can send us a photo, you can send us a video, and because listen, we're almost at 50,000 subscribers. I know we help somebody because there's a lot of subscribers every single day, and we just want to know, hey, who's has success, learning from our channel. Okay. It's always great to know. So of course, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content on the way, but we want to make sure it's content that you guys like, love, and want, and that works. Okay. See you guys soon. And we can't wait to share your success stories. Have a good one.